Hello, hello, hello. I just want to stop in today and just share this with you. Oh my goodness, one of my favorite glow up juices. If you are over 60, if you are over 70, if you are over 80, my, this juice is for you. This juice is for you. It helps you to glow up from the inside out. And it also helps you to glow from your feet to your head. So come on and join me in this wonderful, fabulous, delicious glow up juice. Yes, yes, and yes. So we're going to get this party started. Welcome to Get Healthy Now Mastery. Oh yeah, in the laboratory where all the sparks and the chemistry begins. So we're going to get this started. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Do you want me to give you the truth? You want me to give you the truth? I feel so amazing from the inside out. From the inside out. My life is changing from the inside out. My thinking is changing from the inside out. And you know what? I'm gonna say it's from the juicing that I juice every day. It's from the eating raw that I do every day. It is from infusing my water that I drink every day. We'll talk about infusing the water in a second. Oh my gosh. And you know what? I don't have my mic. My mic's on today. So I'm hoping my mouth is so big that you can hear me. And I'm sure you can. But this is an awesome, powerful juice. Yes, it is. When I say infuse the water, you're actually changing your water from H2O to H3O2. So that's what I am doing now. So you want to do that. In this water, I just only have lemon. I have lemon in this water. However, I have had lemon and oranges mixed together. Lemon and cucumber mixed together. I mean, you can put whatever you want. Grapefruit, oranges, mint, basil. It's whatever you want to go in your water. But you want to change the structure of your water. Absolutely. Oh my goodness. Oh my juice. Looks so good. Oh, it does. Oh my, y'all, I'm telling you, if you want to glow up, this is what you need to do right here. You know, as we get more mature, we come to the understanding that there's some things in our life that we don't need anymore, and we got to move away from it and just do something totally different. I challenge you today to do something totally different. Don't take my word for it. Try it for yourself. You know that there's a song that says, try Jesus, he's all right. Look, try this juice. I promise you, it's all right. Yes, I do. I promise you that this juice is all right. Absolutely. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to taste this one. Let me tell you what's in here. I have 2 cantaloupes, 1 honeydew, 2 pineapples. Ginger, probably about 5 inches of ginger in here. And also a jalapeno pepper, about that long. I put it in there first. But I just wanted to really glow this juice up. Oh my goodness. I am using the Nama J2 juicer. Oh yes, I am. And it really gets your pulp dry. It really gets your pulp dry. And since I've started my gardening, I'm taking this pulp outside and I'm going to put it in my garden area. Yes, I am. I definitely am going to do that. Oh, yeah, I cannot wait to taste this juice. It smells so good. It smells so good, you guys. Come on. We're talking about rebuilding from the inside out. We're rebuilding from the inside out. Come on, join me. Join me. Let me tell you something. I am not a physician. I'm not a doctor by no means whatsoever. I do not give medical advice. I do not make any prescriptions, none whatsoever. I'm just sharing my life journey with you. Just sharing my life journey with you. Do you want to heal from the inside out? The body was created to heal itself. When we put the nutrients in the body, oh my goodness, that it needs, it's going to heal itself. I promise you. Oh, yes, I do. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Come on, y'all. You got to do it. You got to do it with me. Y'all, I am celebrating 75 years around the sun, and I feel amazing. Oh, my God. I feel amazing. And I thank God for giving us, I know y'all can't see that, for giving us life-giving food. Life-giving food. Let me tell you this. I'm going to share this with you. I was just reading in a book that it said, we're not meant to be mobile. Did it say mobile? Did it say mobile? Let me see. I think it said, we're not meant to be mobile cemeteries. I think it said mobile. We're not meant to be mobile cemeteries. Anyway, what that is saying is that when we eat the animal, the animal is dead. And when somebody dies, what we do, take them to the cemetery and we bury them. Ain't that what we do? Yep. All righty. We take them to the cemetery and bury them. So when we eat animals, we put it in our bodies. That we bury those dead animals in the body. And we bury all the ailments, the emotions, the feelings, the fear, the stress that the animal has. That's buried in your body. Can you imagine that? Y'all think about it. God intended for us to put life in our bodies. Life. Oh my, this is life. This is life. Oh my goodness. Oh, my. We're gonna actually, oh my gosh, I can't wait to taste this. I cannot wait to taste this. This is life. When you go to the grocery store and you purchase food, y'all just try this. I challenge you. And you know, I'm not going to tell you not to cook your food. Cook it. But I'm going to challenge each one of you who listening under the sound of my strong voice. Go in the grocery store and buy fresh vegetables for a whole week. I want you to buy fresh vegetables for a whole week. And I want you to cook those fresh vegetables. And at the same time, think about it. Adam and Eve did not have salt to put on their vegetables. Adam and Eve did not have ketchup to go on their vegetables. They did not have hot sauce. I'm just saying, y'all. I'm just saying. I don't know about. We cannot imagine living without that. I'm just challenging you. Go to the store and go in the produce section and buy the produce. And go home and cook it. I want you to go home and cook it. Just try this. I want you to try this. Try this for a few days. 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Just buy the produce. Take it home. Cook it. Put whatever you want to put on that produce. Salt, pepper, ketchup, mustard, whatever y'all put on your food now. Oh my goodness, this is a whole lot. All righty. Cool. And just try it. And tell me how you feel when you get done. Look at that, y'all. Isn't that awesome? Oh my goodness, that's powerful. That is powerful. Oh my. And I am ready to really chop on this. Chop, chop, chop. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is one, I don't know. This is one of the best glow up juices that I have. Oh, y'all, cheers. Cheers. Cheers to heart health. Cheers to brain health. Cheers to lung health. Cheers to liver health. Cheers to kidney health. Cheers to gut health. Cheers to skin health. Cheers to eye health. Oh my goodness. Cheers. Just cheers to overall health. This is what this juice is all about. Overall health. Drink this juice 3 days. I guarantee you, you're going to begin to see your own glow. You're going to see your own glow. Don't take my word for it. You try it. Make the changes for yourself. Okay. I'm done. Thank you all for joining me today on this wonderful glow up juice. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you to the newcomers. Thank you to those who are always watching the channel and you're sending me comments. Thank you for the thumbs up. Please go ahead. All of what you're doing is helping the algorithm of my channel. So please, I need your thumbs up. I need your comments. I need you sharing this. Yes, I do. And I need you watching the video. Yes, I do. And I thank you so much. On that note, we're going to be out of here. Don't forget, I have a membership. It's called Juice Masters Membership. Go into my channel and join Juice Masters. All you got to do is click on the join button and it'll take you right there. All right. Again, thank you so much. I love you guys. And I ask you to continue to support me. Remember, 5,000 subscribers by May 1st. That means I got to get 2 more thousand subscribers. I already have 3,011. I need 2 more thousand subscribers in the next 2 weeks. Thank you. We can do it. Each one, reach one. Thank you so much. I love you, love you, love you, love you. Peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli.